Hey there. Struggling with your Cash App card being locked and not sure how to fix it? You're in the right place. In today's guide, we'll look at how to fix Cash App card not unlocking and get you back to using your card without a hit. Whether it's a temporary lock or a persistent issue, we'll walk through simple strategies to help resolve the problem seamlessly. Step 1. Check for account security alert. The first thing you want to do when facing an unlocking issue is to check for any security alerts or notifications from Cash App. Open the app on your device and navigate to the Activity tab. This section may contain alerts about unusual activity, which could be the reason why your card is locked. If you find any alert, follow the recommended steps to verify your identity and rectify the issue. Otherwise, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Verify your identity. Cash App often requires identity verification for transactions and card features as part of its security measure. If your card is not unlocking, it's possible that Cash App needs more information from you. To verify your identity, go to the profile icon, tap on Personal, and ensure all your personal details, such as your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number, are accurate and up to date. This will facilitate a smooth verification process. Step 3. Update the app. An outdated app can sometimes cause technical issues with features like unlocking your card. Make sure that your Cash App is updated to the latest version. Head to your device's app store. Search for Cash App, and if an update is available, download it. This often resolves minor bugs and improves app functionality, potentially fixing your card unlocking issue. Step 4. Contact Cash App support. If you're still experiencing challenges unlocking your card after checking for security alerts, verifying your identity, and updating the app, it's time to contact Cash App support. To do this, navigate to the profile icon in the app. Scroll down to find Cash Support, then select something else, and detail your issue. Cash App support is equipped to handle these problems and can provide specific instructions tailored to your situation. Step 5. Inspect your card's validity. Sometimes the problem might be as simple as ensuring your Cash App card is still valid. Check the expiration date printed on a physical card. If your card is expired, the solution would be to request a new card via the Cash App. Simply go to the Card tab in the app, request a new card, and follow the prompts to update your information and delivery address. There you have a concise guide on how to fix Cash App card not unlocking. By checking for security alerts, verifying your identity, ensuring your app is up to date, contacting support, and checking your card's validity, you can overcome this hurdle. Don't let a locked card disrupt your day. Swiftly rectify the issue and get back to seamless transaction. If you encounter any persistent problems, remember that Cash App support is always ready to assist. Happy unlocking, and may your transactions be smooth and hassle-free.